Hello folks, today I wanted to do a quick video on how to tell mechanical fastened versus welded windows. Now this is a hybrid, so this is a good one to look at. So I want you to kind of get up in here, if you can see, and you can see my seam right here. And this is my sash right here, and then my sash, so it's it is a welded sash. Let's come over here. See it right there. You can see where the two pieces are. They're literally welded, melted together. That's great. That means they're not going to fall apart. Now, look at my frames here. Now, these are builder grade windows, but they're kind of a little bit better than just absolute builder's grade. And these are mechanically fastened. See, they don't have the weld joint. They just have it. And so what it is actually there's a piece of metal that actually bolts these two together. And because they're sitting in a frame like they are, we're not really worried about, and this is a big, beautiful window. We're not so much worried about it coming out like you would the sash where it's holding all the weight. It's kind of already secured in the opening. So that's how you can tell mechanical fastened versus welded. Hope this is helpful. Give us a call. Galloway Building Services. Love to help you with your inspection or construction inspection, whatever you need. Galloway Building Services. Thank you, folks.